So in this video, we're looking at a full HD touchscreen USB-C portable monitor for under $100. But is it actually worth it? Well, watch through this video to find out, but a quick spoiler, if you're looking for a lightweight, portable way to work more productively and on the go, this just might be it. So that's why I went and bought the LED display Integrity First Quality Assurance monitor. So I got this on Amazon for $140 Australian, which is less than $100 US or whatever other currency that you use. Now there's not really a lot here. The reason I decided this one was that it's touchscreen. I think that would help, if I'm scrolling through a lot of documents, I do a lot of reading throughout the day. There were 2K and 4K options, but here we are. I went for this one and I wanted a really portable, light version. And this seemed to be it. Now, as I hold this box, it's extremely light. There's not really anything on it. It's just a blank white box, but it is incredibly light. There is a sticker here and it says nothing. Yeah, all right, let's just get straight through it. Open the plastic. All right. Let's see what is inside. We have some foam to protect it, reassuring. There's the device itself. I will get back to it in a moment. Let's just look at the accessories. Here is, it's an Australian plug. That's great. I thought it would have had an adapter. Not sure how many watts it is, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to be using one cable. Well, that's the plan if it works. Here is the manual, which will go through something in here. Oh yeah, we have some specs. Yes. Brightness, 300. 69 aspect ratio. 5 millisecond response time. 1000:1 contrast. Less than 15 watts power. And 178 degree viewing angle. Next is a HDMI, I believe it's full, yes, it's a full HDMI to HDMI, which is great. Now we have USB-A to USB-C with bright orange coloring, I rate it. And then we have, it's another USB-A to USB-C, and this would be the USB-C to C. This will be the main cable that I hope to use and the only cable I hope to use. And here is the display itself. Immediately, what I notice, it's so light. Expression, whatever that means, whatever brand it is. Now the reason I wanted this one is because it has the kickstand and it doesn't have that folio thing. Look, it's not the sturdiest, this little kickstand, but I just didn't want that folding base that would stick out. It sort of takes up a lot of space and it goes forward. So I thought this kickstand would be better. It is lighter and easier and it can just stick. It's plastic. Look, it's not the sturdiest, it's not the strongest, but it'll do. It keeps it lighter. And again, it was cheap. Full USB-A, down button, off, on, and up button by the looks of it for brightness and volume. Underneath there are speakers, which it has, and then full HDMI, USB-C, USB-C, and headphone jack. Now we take this monitor off. Okay, this is not bad at all. This is a 14-inch. I might have gone for a 15 or 16 inch, might have been a bit better, but look, I wanted portability. It's a little bit smaller, but at least it's an extra display, and that's all I really wanted for the trips, to be able to take it with me. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Now the moment of truth. Will this work? USB-C to USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. Oh, welcome. This is exciting. Allow accessory to connect. Do you want to connect USB to hub? Allow. And, oh, whoa. Okay. I am pleasantly surprised right now. There's my, oh, all right. This is better than I expected for the price I paid. It automatically plugged in. It extended it immediately. I didn't have to do a thing. I can even use the other USB-C port and the USB-A port as a sort of hub because it asked me if I want to use it as a hub. Here, oh, that's volume down. And where are my settings? Okay, there it is, right in the middle. Ooh, that's cool. Look at all these settings. Oh, you can touch the brightness. Okay, it's not the most responsive, but you can adjust it from there. HDR, whoa. We do not want that. This is not made for HDR. I don't know what that does. There is the RGB, more color settings. Oh, different preset modes. And there are the settings, and you can go back and you just click the middle button. And oh, look, you can reset the settings as well. This is so cool. This is better than I expected. This there, 1080, 60 Hertz. The touch, oh, yep, there it is. There is our touch screen. This, look, it's not as fluid as an iPad or a tablet, but it's responsive for what I paid for such a flimsy little thing. I am impressed. If I put the kickstand, let's put this kickstand and see what it's like. And it'll just sit there. And there is my work setup, my laptop, and oh, okay, so you can change HDR from the Mac. That changes the display a lot. I don't really need HDR, so I'm just going to turn it off. And then rotation, can we make it? Oh, look at that, everyone. I just made it vertical. Yes, I do like that. Especially if I'm reading on it. Or if you have documents you want vertical spreadsheets. If I just put the mouse, so the mouse needs to be on the actual screen for you to use the touch screen, and oh no, disaster. It's going crazy. The mouse is going in the opposite direction. It thinks I'm in horizontal mode, but it's moving in vertical. Okay, I think we have to stick to vertical. Sorry, horizontal, I mean. The other thing is it doesn't have two-finger scroll, which is a big issue. See, I can't actually scroll at all. It's just highlighting the text. I really wanted to scroll in this. That was one of the main reasons I got the touchscreen. Please tell me if I'm doing this wrong and I just suck at it. This is even my own video. I'm having trouble getting the audio playing through this machine. I'm probably just going to play the audio off the laptop, but it doesn't seem to want to play. I've changed the settings and it just doesn't want to do it. Anyway, so that's two issues, the touch screen not scrolling and the audio not working. But my verdict, I think I am surprised at how good it looks. It's a really good display. The brightness is pretty decent. It does a good job. You know, beside my MacBook, I can use both at the same time. Having issues with the audio, look, it might just be my unit, could be a software glitch, but it just doesn't seem to work for these videos. But I'm going to use my audio on the laptop anyway, or headphones. The thing I do like about it, it's so light. It's not aluminium, it's not metal, which, all right, it's less sturdy, but I guess for the price, it's good enough. The kickstand it's a big positive. I think I really wanted that. It can adjust and to the level that you want. You can put it in and out depending on the viewing angle that you like. So I prefer that over the the foldable folios. The buttons work quite well. The USB-A, USB-C and HDMI, tested all them. They all seem to be good. HDMI if you want to plug in a console or a PC that doesn't have USB-C. And yeah, otherwise I think it does a pretty decent job. It's the main thing I wanted was a portable monitor I can take anywhere. I probably might not get a touchscreen next time, because I could just use my touchpad. I could even get a 2K or 4K display, but it is a little bit matte and it can be a bit glary, but overall for the money you pay, like it's not going to get better. Look, it's the same size as the MacBook keyboard or the screen. So you literally just put it in a little folio case if you have one, and it holds both and you're ready to go. And that's the display. So there it is. I hope this was helpful to you. Otherwise, it's a decent display. Video looks decent. I can do a much more detailed review if you want. But if you have any questions, keep some comments below. I hope this helped you, and see you in some more tech videos coming up.